A lot of people don't have a Twitter. I think there is one, not a list, one great reason why you should absolutely have a Twitter, and I'm going to talk about it next. Hey everybody, I'm Eric Miner of Eric Miner Media, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like building a business online or creating content for social media, then you might want to consider giving me a subscribe. Now there is one, and only one reason why I feel it's important to have a Twitter. And it doesn't necessarily have to have anything to do with money, it doesn't have anything to do with promoting your videos or content, or even having a big following. It is this. Twitter is one of the best places to connect with creators, brands, even celebrities. Regular people are connecting with celebrities every single day on Twitter, whether it be retweeting, whether it be replies to direct messages or replies to comments. There are many people in the creator community who are very active over at Twitter. Some of them would include Gary Vaynerchuk, Roberto Blake, Amy Schmittauer, Tim Schmoyer. These are all people who are in the content creation, social media business that are very active over there. And you can comment to them, you can mention them, you can direct message them, and a lot of them will actually message you back or like your comments or even respond to comments. Personally, I had Roberto retweet one of my comments to a question that he asked on his account. So it is a great place, and you get a lot of interaction that you might not get at other places. You know, you're not necessarily going to friend these people on Facebook to their own personal profiles and connect with them. This Twitter just seems to have that knack for allowing it to be easy to communicate quickly with people. And you might not make a brand deal over Twitter. You might take that to email, or you might take that to a chat or a Skype, but you can start over on Twitter. You can start the connection over there and work up. So even though, yes, it might not have to do with money, it doesn't have to. It could be just a connection, but it can actually lead to money as well. So I just thought I'd talk about that because I know there are a lot of people, myself included when I first got started on Twitter, that don't see the value in it or don't understand it. It seems to be its own kind of platform that has its own type of audience to it, but it is widely used, and I think Twitter actually is in a position to kind of come back into the mainstream a little more than what it has been as of late. It's kind of been overshadowed by Instagram and Snapchat, but I really like Twitter, and I use it a good bit, and I always suggest it in my videos that you can check me out over at Eric Miner Media. In fact, I'm going to suggest it again. Check me out over at Eric Miner Media on Twitter. It's a great place where if you're looking to connect or you're just ask a simple question and hope for an answer, it's a great place to get that kind of interaction that you don't always get on the other social media networks. I don't need a laundry list of reasons to tell you that you should have a Twitter. I feel that is the one and only reason that you should need to have a Twitter is the ability to connect. So that's all I have today. Short, sweet, and simple. So, like I said, check me out on Twitter. But remember, if you do like the idea of building a great business online or creating content, then I talk about that a lot, so you might want to consider giving me a subscribe, clicking the bell icon to be notified when I post new content. And remember to get out there, create your content, dig deep, and you can mine it.